My name is Josh from Apex Appliance Repair and Air Duct Cleaning. I want to demonstrate how we use these special air tools to clean your dryer vent line. Even if you're at home, we can do this, so there's no need to take off for work, anything like that. Just show you how great this works. Put it in all the way until you get to the back where it's a transition job. You know, we're trained to feel this, so we know what we're doing. Push this in, get it back. Now I'm starting to feel like I'm going to hit an elbow to go back to the back of the dryer, so I'm going to push my way out now. Get all that out of there. And then just for safety, we're going to go back in again. There you go. Always get something else on that second time. Alright, I'm going to bring her out. Up a little bit out here at the air duct shoulders. There you go. Pretty nice.
Today I want to demonstrate for you a very unique tool that we have to clean dryer vents from the outside. This is our very powerful truck mounted 175 psi compressor that we use in conjunction with specialty air tools. This is an air jet that will spin and expel the lint at the same time. It can propulse itself through the line all the way up to the dryer. For demonstration purposes, I'm not going to be running the compressor at this time. As you can see by that action, along with that very high, powerful air, you can see how thorough it could actually clean a line from the outside with no need to get behind the machine if it's not possible. Thank you.
Good job.